Hey guys, I just finished my workout at Dogpound. It's actually day 2, so I'm actually vlogging this entire journey. So I'm doing an 8-week challenge, and I've actually never done that on my YouTube channel at all, but my trainer Christian, who is so amazing and really challenging me. So you guys know I've been doing yoga and Pilates for a few years now, and I've been training and working out for many years. And I just feel like I need to really challenge my body a little bit more. So I am working with weights and training with a personal trainer, like actually, and staying consistent instead of just waiting for a photo shoot. Sorry if the audio is weird, but you know, I'm starting to walk, so I gotta wear a mask because we gotta be aware of everyone and be mindful. So anyways, he's so amazing. He's really challenging my body to work out with weights heavier than 5 to 10 pounds. I don't even use 10 pounds actually. I think I used 3 and 5 in the past. So we use like 27-pound kettlebells, and we go heavier with the weights. And I'll show you guys everything. I have a couple videos that I filmed there on the phone that are gonna be on Instagram. I'm also putting a full breakdown every day that I work out with him and what I eat, just because I kind of just really want to keep track of everything instead of just like, okay, I'm gonna work out like every single day for 2 weeks before a shoot. Like I really want to prepare my body. I'm so grateful that I can work out at a gym that is socially distant and super clean. They literally clean right after I'm done with the area. So it's just amazing. I'm super excited to really change my body. I'm not even joking. I am sweating so crazy during the warm-up. It's actually insane.
I'ma beat you at your own game. I'ma beat you at your own game. I'ma beat you at your own game.
I actually just got home from dinner. I had a really cute girls' night dinner with my girlfriends at Avra. They have outdoor seating, so right now it is still open and we are able to dine in. And I wore this red dress that I actually had to take a picture of for my Instagram. So I went out and wore this. And sorry I never really get a vlog when I'm there. I just like want to catch up with my friends and like talk to them because I don't get to go out that much, or like I don't really get to do a lot of things out. So, you know, when I'm there, I'm really just trying to enjoy my time. I should have vlogged there. That would have been cute. It was really, really cute, the little setup. I have a little video here of like what it looked like, but I just wanted to end the vlog because I realized I didn't really end the vlog. Right now it's actually Monday, which is the beginning of the week, and my new workout starts tomorrow with my trainer. So I just wanted to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed the full week of working out, the 2 times a week for the 8-week booty challenge. If you guys want to see more and the entire workout, let me know in the comments below. But I just wanted to end the video here because I feel like I just didn't end it properly. And also another thing is I'm just really not like being so strict on my diet. I feel like I don't need to do that anymore. Whenever I do that, I'm pretty miserable. Like I'm like sad about things that I can and can't eat. So I'm not doing that with myself. I'm having gelato, having fun with my diet, eating fun things, because to me, like, why not like be able to eat what I want? So I've been eating sweets and stuff like that, and a lot of fruit because I do enjoy eating that. And I'm just not being like so crazy with my diet because I feel like I used to do that and I was just like unhappy. So I do want to still eat clean and fuel my body with amazing, healthy, nutritious foods, like whole foods and like non-processed things. But if I want to have a little bit of gelato, I will have some. So I've been eating fun things as well. But I do have a new blog post up talking about why it's necessary to sometimes switch up your workouts, because I've been doing that and really loving it. I do see a difference in my body, and I do see a difference in my hunger. I'm a lot hungrier when I do weights, and I actually get a lot tired. Like I'm like, oh, and then I'm sore. So been really loving that workout method as well. On the YouTube channel, I'll be vlogging all of the moments. So I just wanted to end today's vlog here and this week's vlog here, and I will continue tomorrow morning with next week's booty challenge, week 2. So that was week 1. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. Please click on the subscribe button below. Thumbs up the video if you guys like this, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think of my 8-week booty challenge. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.